Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install motion array effects in After Effects, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Motion Array website. Log in to your Motion Array account. Navigate to the Effects section of the website. Browse or search for the effects you wish to install. Once you locate the desired effect, click on it to open the Details page. Look for the Download button and click it. The effect will download as a zip file to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All to unzip the folder. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. In After Effects, go to the menu bar and click on Effects. Select Presets from the drop-down menu. A panel will open where you can import new presets. Inside the panel, right-click in the empty space and select Import. Navigate to the unzipped folder of the Motion Array effects. Select the appropriate files and click Open to import them. Once imported, you can find the Motion Array effects under the Effects panel. Drag and drop an effect onto your desired layer. Adjust the effect settings as needed in the Effect Controls panel. Preview your composition to ensure everything works as expected. You have successfully installed Motion Array effects in After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.